Hello guys, it is the last question for the series of test 2, the question 5. So the question is write algorithm for Newton interpolation. Okay, so the first sub question is algorithm construct the difference table by elimination data set to ensure that the interpolation point is at the beginning interval. Okay, so and the B sub part is obtain first, second, third derivation from Newton formula. Okay, that is not the Isaac Newton, that is a different Newton here. So we have to use forward difference operator delta as let y is equals to f of x is the function of x, independent variable x is an argument, the corresponding value of function is f of x is entry. Find a forward difference delta f of x is equals to f of x plus h minus f of x. So f x divided by x naught and here the x entry divided by f of x naught. Okay, so x plus h, the corresponding value will be f of x naught plus h, then x naught plus 2h, then the corresponding value of f of x naught plus 2h, x of x naught plus 3h, then the corresponding value is f of x naught plus 3h, and then when we concluded f of x naught plus h minus f of x naught. Okay, then f of x naught plus 2h is minus f of x naught plus h, f of x naught plus 3h minus f of x naught plus 2h, then for a second forward difference. Okay, then when we use second forward difference, the first difference, the first forward difference delta square f of x is equals to delta into square brackets delta f of x, delta square brackets f of x plus h minus f of x, and that is equals to f of x plus 2h minus f of x minus x plus h, then minus f of x plus h and f of x. Okay, minus f of x, and delta square f of x is equals to f x plus 2h minus 2f minus twice of f of x plus h plus f of x. Then forward then using the forward difference method, x and y, the values of x as an listed below. Then what we have to do? We have to do the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 table. We have to generate a table and then write the algorithm. And then here the algorithm is step 1 read n, step 2 for I is equals to 1 and 2 n read I xi plus yi, and for step 3 for j is equals to 1 2 n minus 1, step 4 for I is equals to 1 2 n minus j. Okay, n minus 1 n minus I, that was n minus I. So and step 5 if j is equals to 1 then this yi plus 1 minus yi, and else dij or di plus 1 or j minus 1. Okay, minus di j minus 1. Then step 6 for j is equals to 1 to n minus 1, for I is equals to 1 to n minus j, print dij, print double quotes slash n. Okay, we know from Newton forward difference interpolation f of a plus hu is equals to y naught plus u divided by delta 1 sorry, that is the factorial 1 delta y naught plus u minus 1 divided by factorial 2 delta square y naught plus u minus 1 u minus 2 divided by factorial 3 and so on. And f of f dash a of a plus f dash of a plus hu is equals to f divided by n, and such that 0 plus delta y naught plus 2u minus 1 divided by 2 delta square y naught 3u square minus 6u plus 2 divided by 6, and so on. So f double dash of a of hu is equals to 1 by n. Okay, 1 by n, and in square bracket 0 plus delta square y naught plus u minus 1 delta cube y naught plus delta dash. So that here we conclude the answer. Here this the algorithm of our question is completed. Okay, thank you.